Hey, would you like to develop a strong personal brand in the real estate industry? Awesome, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm Farah, your real estate business coach. In this video, I'm going to reveal the top 6 secrets to develop a strong brand in the real estate industry for personal development. Buckle up, this information has transformed my life and many of my coaches and clients' real estate businesses and will turbocharge and change the trajectory of your real estate businesses too. Today I'm super excited to share with you these concepts. Alright, I have is why is developing a strong personal brand in the real estate industry for professional development is most important, and how to develop a strong personal brand in the real estate industry for professional development, and what are the top 6 secrets to develop a strong brand in the real estate industry for professional development. You can implement the learnings to turbocharge your real estate businesses, which will transform you into a true market expert and get ahead of the competition as a real estate professional agent. Before we begin, make sure you hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. If already subscribed, then hit the bell icon to get notified of the new videos so you can never miss any of my empowering real estate business mentoring videos. Alright, then let's dive right in. From now onwards, I want you to take a digital note, open your notepad in a new window or a Google Doc or a Google Drive and keep taking digital notes. I will tell you what to do with these notes to get you gift worth ₹4,999 at the very end of this video. Fine, let's dive in. Why developing a strong personal brand in the real estate industry for professional development is most important? Well, we all know that this field is highly competitive and standing out is crucial. Okay, so what's the secret sauce that can set you apart? Well, it's developing a strong personal brand. Okay, yes, you heard it right. Okay, it's developing a strong personal brand. I'm going to share this with an example of Raj, a successful real estate agent in India. Why personal branding matters? Okay, number 1, trust and credibility. When you establish a personal brand like Raj, you build a trust with your clients. Over a time, clients come to recognize your name, face and reputation. Trust is vital in real estate where clients making significant financial decisions. Raj's consistent and reliable service have earned him a stellar reputation, and that trust is now one of his most valuable assets. And number 2 I have is differentiation. So real estate is a crowded market with countless agents waving for clients' attention. Okay, personal branding sets you apart by highlighting what make you unique. Raj's personal brand showcases his expertise in eco-friendly homes, setting him apart from his in this field. Okay, this unique selling point has become his signature. And then number 3 I have is client attraction. Okay, personal branding is like a magnet for clients. Okay, instead of chasing leads, your brand does the work for you. Okay, Raj's branding efforts attract clients who resonate with his values and they seek him out because of his reputation for being an eco-conscious agent. And then number 4 I have is consistency. Okay, a strong personal brand ensures that every interaction with clients and potential clients is consistent. Your branding elements such as your website, social media presence and messaging all align. Okay, just like Raj, your clients know what to expect when working with you. This reliability and consistency build confidence. And then number 5 I have is long-term success. Personal branding isn't it a spirit? Okay, it's a marathon. It's not about quick short-term gain but long-term success. Raj journeys demonstrates that the efforts put into a personal branding pays off into the long run. Over the years, his brand has grown and contributed to his continuous success in the real estate industry too. So if you are a real estate agent in India, take a page out of Raj's life's book and consider how to developing your personal brand can boost your trust, set you apart, attract clients, maintain consistency and secure your long-term success in this competitive field. Let's understand how to develop a strong personal brand in the real estate industry. Think of your personal brand as your unique signature in the real estate world. Okay, it's how people perceive you, trust you, and remember you. Okay, to understand the power of personal branding, let me introduce you to Ritu, a real estate agent from Mumbai who is shining example of how to do it right. Hi Ritu, a real estate agent in India. Ritu started her real estate journey just like many of you. She had the same listings, same properties, and the same market conditions. But what set her apart was her personal branding. Ritu decided to be more than just an agent. She decided to be the brand. Okay, here are a few steps to develop your personal brand. In the step number 1 I have is identifying your unique value propositions. Okay, Ritu realized what to succeed. She had to be herself, but she also had to find her unique selling points. Okay, it wasn't just about selling houses, it's about selling a lifestyle, trust, and a reliable partnership. She asked herself, what can I offer that others can't? She discovered that her knowledge of the local market was her golden ticket. And then step 2 I have is building credibility and trust. Okay, Ritu understood that her brand success depend on trust. She made sure to be transparent, honest, and reliable in all her dealings. She responded promptly to inquiries. She upfront about properties, pros and cons, and known to her ethical practices. Okay, this built her credibility and in turn boosted her personal brand. And then step 3 I have is consistent brand maintenance. Yeah, Ritu realized that a strong personal brand is not one-time effort, it's ongoing commitment. She consistently presented herself as a knowledgeable, trustworthy, and professional agent. Whether it was through her social media, website, or face-to-face interactions, her brand remained consistent. And then step 4 I have is leveraging online platforms. Okay, Ritu recognized that the power of the internet. Okay, she used social media and her website to amplify her brand. Through informative posts, videos, and clients' testimonials, she showcased her expertise, success, and happy clients, reinforcing for personal branding in her online spree. And then step 5 I have is networking and community involvement. Okay, real estate is about more than transaction, it's about relationship. Ritu became an active member of her local community, attending events, supporting local causes, and networking with the other professionals. This has not only helped her build a personal brand but also extended her reach. And then step 6 I have is authentic communication. Yes, Ritu's brand was genuinely hers. Okay, she didn't pretend to be someone else. She wasn't. Her communication was authentic and relatable, connecting with her audience on a personal level. Her brand was her. Okay, and it was real. So there you have it, the real life examples of Ritu, a real estate agent from India who transformed herself into a brand. Her success stories demonstrates that power of personal branding in this industry. Now it's your turn to take her lesson and create a personal brand that sets you apart and make your real estate journey a remarkable one. Okay, now let me share with you the top 6 secrets to developing a personal strong brand in the industry. Meet Rakesh, a successful real estate agent in Mumbai. He built his empire from scratch and his secret was what? A strong personal brand. In today's vlog, okay, we delve into the top 6 secrets of the developing a strong personal brand in the real estate industry. These are tried and tested strategies that have propelled Rakesh to the top of his game. Let's dive in. Okay, secret number 1, define your unique value proposition. That's called UVP. Just like Rakesh, you must first identify what sets you apart. Your UVP is what makes you unique. Okay, do you specialize in luxury properties or a specific neighborhood? Are you an expert in a particular type of property? Define it and make it your brand. And then secret number 2 I have is consistency is a key. Consistency is what separates the best from the rest. Rakesh did not become a household name overnight. Okay, he stayed consistent in his messaging, image, and services. Whether it's in your marketing materials, online presences, or the way you handle clients, consistency is the key. And secret number 3 I have is leverage online platforms. In this digital age, your online presence matters. Okay, Rakesh utilizes social media, a professional website, and a blog to showcase his expertise. Use these platforms to build a credibility, share success stories, and connect with potential clients. And then secret number 4 I have is network and build relationships. Rakesh swears by his networking. Okay, attending industry events, join local real estate groups, and engage with your community. Building relationship can lead to referrals and long-lasting partnerships. And then secret number 5 I have is showcase your expertise. Okay, demonstrate your expertise at every opportunity. Rakesh shares his knowledge through webinars, workshops, and podcasts. It's not about what you say, it's about how you say it. Okay, be confident and professional in your presentation. And then secret number 6 I have is client testimonials are gold. Okay, your clients are your best advocates. Rakesh accumulated a treasure trove of clients' testimonials. Happy clients become brand ambassadors. Don't be shy to ask for feedback and display it proudly. By applying these secrets, just as Rakesh did, you will develop a personal brand that resonates with your audience and sets you on the path to becoming a renowned real estate agent. I have a detailed bonus course in my silver membership. If you are not yet part of my silver membership, then join my VIP membership, which I will share in a while. Well, we have almost come to the end of this video. These secrets, when implemented together, will empower you as a top-notch real estate professional agent in India and become a true market expert to provide exceptional services to your clients. So do share it with the loved ones, and share it in the comment box, your key takeaways in details. Okay, go ahead and share your digital notes for few points here. Okay, VIP membership which I have for you is, if you really want to learn fast and learn with the community, then you must check out my VIP membership. As I had explained, to join my fastest growing real estate agents community that can transform your life and businesses along with many other like-minded real estate experts. The VIP membership is worth ₹4,999 and is absolutely for you as you are here. It consists of courses, coaching, and community. So find the link in the below description and enroll yourself in the VIP membership to mastermind and network with like-minded communities. Well, those were the secrets to apply for your real estate and become a true market expert in the Indian real estate landscape. There are many that I have shared in my advanced level implementation coaching sessions. Remember, applying these secrets can elevate your real estate businesses to new heights and benefit your clients immensely. If you have found this video valuable, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with your fellow real estate agents in India. Hit on the bell icon to get notified of the new videos. Together, we will build a thriving real estate businesses and make a positive impact in the real estate market. I am here to support you on your journey to success. Let's build a thriving real estate businesses together. Until next time, take care. Happy real estating. I am Farah, your real estate business coach. See ya.